Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your slow Roku box. And all I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe so you can see more content like this. If your Roku has been acting slow, freezing, buffering, or apps take forever to open, try these 3 quick fixes before you replace it. The first fix you should try is clearing the Roku cache. Grab your remote and press home 5 times, up once, rewind twice, then fast forward twice. Your Roku might freeze for a few seconds and then restart. That's normal. What it's doing is it's refreshing temporary system data, and this can speed things up instantly. You should be doing this regularly, around once every month. The second fix is to delete and reinstall slow apps. If you have that one app that keeps lagging, then highlight it, press and hold the star button, and scroll down the menu. Before selecting Remove App, you might want to try updating the app first. If updating didn't fix it, then you can go ahead and select Remove App. Sometimes the app's data gets corrupted, but performing an uninstall should fix that issue. Once the app's been removed, then you can go back into the channel store and reinstall it. If the previous 2 fixes didn't work, then try this third fix, which is to factory reset the entire Roku system. This will wipe everything on your Roku box, and it will bring it back to the state that it was in when you first purchased it. This method fixes 90% of problems, but if it doesn't fix yours, then you may want to buy a new Roku box. If you have to resort to that, I have links for new Roku devices in my description below. So to factory reset your Roku, do the following. Go to Settings, Systems, Advanced System Settings, then Factory Reset. You'll then be prompted to punch in a confirmation code to confirm that you do in fact want to reset your Roku. Then select Start Factory Reset. Once the reset is complete, you'll be prompted to set up your Roku again, as if you just purchased it. If you tried all these steps and your Roku still isn't working as well as you'd like it to, and you're thinking of jumping ship to another streaming box, then check out this video right here to find out the best streaming box in 2026.